What up? What up? Boom, 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 boom. Oh. What up, Ivan? What's going on, man? John Doe, what up? What up? Making some money here. Trying to make some money here. Made my coffee. I just got a nice little short here, 205 bucks. I can't believe I didn't hold it though. Freaking had it right here. I traded during lunch and didn't die. Profits, baby. Awesome, man. Awesome. Keep up the good work. I mean, you know, a lot of times during lunchtime, you get the chop or something. So you don't want to get chopped up. What up, J Money? The McLean family. What up? Yo, Sean, let's go, baby. So what's going on? Oh, echo. Echo because I'm at the wrong fucking thing. Cool. I'm trying to bring up the oh, is this really going on? I got to bring up the chat. I have to bring up the chat because I can't see it on Streamlabs. It's always delayed. So I bring it up on another screen. Oh, one of my trades was during lunch? Yeah, because you know what? I just get my food. Well, first of all, I shower. If you realize I have a lot of times for the afternoon stream, I got a different shirt on. So I go shower, I go get my food, and then I'll come back, I'll sit down, I'll eat my food, and I'll trade a little bit. But I'm not on the live stream yet. That's typically how I roll. I'm not a big lunchtime trader. Just sitting back down, I was looking at the daily. Yeah. No, it hasn't happened in a while. Hasn't happened in a while. Well, now let's see if I can bring the right one up. Come on. Well, now let's see if I can bring the right one up. There it is. If you heard an echo, that's because I just brought up on my other screen the chat. Yeah, hasn't been. The one good thing I will say is the market's down. I'm making prop firm money. My lemonade has come back, so we're up there. Things are going pretty well today. This thing looks like it's going to keep going. Let's see if it continues south. I don't really love this, by the way, but let's see. Nope. This one fucking account all day has been a nightmare to me. An absolute nightmare to me. Look, I got top tick. It's going to come back down. Look at that. Top tick's going to come right back down. Fucking, I swear, sometimes these accounts are just... Look, I would be positive right now. Isn't that crazy? I got fucking top ticked. Primarily because my entry sucked. You want to get your entry as close to the 9 as you possibly can. This is where I think we're going. I think we're going to go all the way down and visit 900. Really, you want to hang here and then dump. A little consolidation and then dump. Come on. Come on, just let it go, baby. Elsa style. Come on. Come on. Get under. Break this low. Break this 49.49. There we go. 300 bucks. 320 bucks. And I fucking was in it up here, which is awful. I was in it. I knew it was coming down. I got top ticked. If I didn't get top ticked, well, I hope one of you guys made it. So that was a good trade. Awful entry. If I didn't get such a shit entry and I got it up here, I wouldn't have gotten top ticked and I would have been in this whole thing. You got that, Sean? Fist bump. High five. I had it. I can't believe they top ticked me. So stupid. Stupid. Now what I would love to see is a sweep below and then back through. What up, CT? That would be what I kind of tired of FOMO. Yeah. A lot of FOMO in days like this. I mean, you feel like you're missing the move up. You feel like you're missing the move down. Oh, baby. This is the hourly. The only reason I don't love this is you want to get this on the top of a trend. You want it trending up, and then you get it. This, we're already down. Dude, this is busting through. Got yo-yoed. Yeah, lunchtime's rough, man. Lunchtime's choppy. A lot of times it's choppy. That's why they say don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. The guy that said that actually used to sing it. It was like, don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Yeah, today's been wild, man. Candles have been crazy. Very crazy price action. I'll tell you what, the hourly sweep trades that I made the video on is 2 for 2 today. Actually, it's 3 for 3. You got it here on this hourly sweep. You got it on this hourly sweep, and then you got it on this hourly sweep. And you want to see the hourly sweep happen in the first 20 minutes of the market. If you haven't seen that video, the win rates are between 87 and 94%, depending on what time of day it happens. It has to happen in the first 20 minutes. And if you haven't watched the video, I'll put the video in here right now. I would recommend you watching the video. It's backed by 10 years worth of data. So if you like the video, smash the like. It's backed by 10 years worth of data. Take a look. I feel like I'm obligated to take this here. See what happens. In case it doesn't come down. In case it doesn't come down, at least I could say I got a piece of it, you know? You tested the 921 cross today. It didn't work out. Why? You would think it would work out. I'm sure it crossed for this whole pattern here. Right? I want to see it come back up. Come back up, baby. I want to get the sweep back in. $21. Yeah, I think you're just talking about the 9 and 21 EMA, right? What up, Double L? No, yeah, look at that. I'd want to see it trade back through to like on the 1,000 tick chart. I never got into the tick charts. And we go bye-bye. Yo, we made new low a day.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Dude, I'm telling you, everybody thought Trump, I told you, man, he's going to start talking tariffs and market's going to go freaking not liking it.
And we say bye-bye.
Dude, they're just unloading this thing. Now that we got too far away, I'm not interested, to be honest. I'm not interested for a little bit. Gonna nab all of Ukraine's mineral rights. I mean, that's the least that they can give us, I guess, right? All the money that we dumped over there. Damn, these evals got cooked. Well, I was in short. I should have fucking held. I should have just targeted down here and said, hey, I'm holding until we get down there. This is... Future millionaire, get in short right here. I should short it at 832 or 824. Tight stop. Dude, I would not buy right here. My stop would be done already. I'd be 10 points in the hole almost. Nope. Coming back down. I mean, if you're in short, fucking awesome to whoever's in short. Look, you can see I shorted it up here. I just don't fucking hold. Look at that. Had it. Had it. Dude, that was a wild drop. What up, Larry? What happened? Trump was talking tariffs today. Trump is talking tariffs on Europe. And it just unloaded. And now we wait. I mean, everybody that thought Trump was going to come in, I mean, I don't know what this is what happened last time. The days were crazy. Up, down, up, down, up, down. One day you got tariffs. The next day you don't got tariffs. Jim Dalton's on. Yeah. 765. Still got a ways to go. Let's see if just trying to get some scalp and some money off the 9. It's risky because we've already dropped fucking 300, 400 points. I mean, you know, it's risky as shit to start shorting here, but yes, this is the best time to pass evals. These are the days that you want to pass evals, where you could just slam the fucking account and you'll get the move to pass without a doubt. Yeah, if you ever wanted to pass evals, today's the day to fire it up. I mean, if we can get back over 865, might make it back up to 900 here. But seems like it can't get over the 9. These candles are massive. 31. This is 30 points. Crazy.
I'm Donald Trump, and I approve this message.
Yo, I can't believe he's putting a 25% tax on Europe. Is it? Oh yeah, from it's hitting it from the bottom. Hitting it from the bottom right there. But yeah, look, there it is. I mean, I wouldn't have taken that. The original one was up here. Ah, congrats, man. Congrats. Get the payout. It's not on Europe, it's the US. Trump put the tariff on though, right? Are you kidding me? I couldn't even move the fucking thing. Oh my God. Trump vows March 4th tariffs for Mexico, Canada, extra 10% for China over fentanyl. Here's another headline. I think that, I mean, this looks like we're going down another leg here. Looks like we might get a big third leg down. I'd like to get a better entry, like right here at like 45. But I don't think I'm going to get it. What up, Alvin? Who's been screwing us for years? So I'm just scalping this now because I don't know where the fuck this is going to bounce. Not only do I not know where it's going to bounce, we're moving we're moving 20 to 30 points per minute. You could easily get caught in something like this. Look, if you got short here, I mean, you're fucking 20 points on the water. Is it 8 days? Yeah, 8 days, millionaire. Yeah, micros is a good idea. I was doing micros before. Yeah, I mean, look how stupid I am, Marco. I was in short here, and then I got in short again here. I missed the boat. All by not holding. How many prop firms go bust? Probably none, because there's probably a ton of people that are trying to catch the bounce instead of just following the trend. I bet you there's a lot of people trying to catch the bounce. If I had to guess, there's more people trying to catch the bounce because psychologically they think it's down too far. Somebody in their head, it's down too far. It has to bounce, has to bounce. So what they do is they keep trying to buy the bounce, buy the bounce, buy the bounce. Like, I understand trying to catch the bounce at like a key level, but have a stop and get out and then continue to follow it down. But yeah, prop firms, I bet you, don't get me wrong, there's probably some people who played this whole thing down, made a lot of money in their prop firm, but I bet you the majority are looking for a bounce. Like, as we continue lower, I don't really have many areas to be like, oh, this is what I'm looking for. I don't even know what the fuck that line is. Here you go. Previous month low, 894. 894 is last month's low. That's probably, you know, sweep the leg. Isn't that crazy how it bounces right to the pivot point and then rejects? It's crazy. Yeah, standard deviation. We're definitely out there. We're definitely extended. 4-hour chart tells the deal. What's the 4-hour look like? I mean, you could just see, I drew this a while ago. You could just kind of see the trend when we broke. This was the daily trend. When we broke that to the downside, it was over. So I will say this is the daily pivot point right here. 830 is the daily pivot point. I wouldn't be surprised if this holds, if this is the bottom for the day. Matter of fact, I'm going to get in. I'm getting in at least 5 micros here. I'm just seeing if it can come down a little bit more. Let's get over this pivot point, right? Pivot point's at 861. You just put in a, I just got that buy alert. Let's see what happens. I'm going to move my stop up. My stop's at 42 now. This is a free trade, by the way. No cost trade. I moved up to break even. Let's see if we can get to 891. Oh, they're going to stop me out. Well, it's basically a freebie. So if you followed along, you moved your stop up. I think we lost $27. I still think the bottom is in. Look at that, right off the pivot point again. We're right in this fair value gap. I'm going to take another shot. 826 is the pivot point. What indicator is what? The pivot points? Pivot point standard. Is that what you're asking? This, the yellow lines that I got? The yellow line right here? That's pivot points. Are you talking about like monthly open, all this, previous day low? One that shows the areas. This green area? Is it this green? That green area, it's that's breaker blocks. That's, yeah. I mean, listen, this doesn't look good. I'm willing to risk it. I'm okay if I lose. I'm at half size, and it is what it is. You know, this is what I use in my trade plan. It works. but nothing's 100%. So I'm okay with the results, because as long as I do the same thing over the course of time and it's profitable over the course of time, I'm fine with the results. If I could only use one indicator, what would it be? If I was tied to one thing and one thing only, it'd be the opening range 15-minute. The opening range 15-minute. You've probably heard it called an orb, the 15-minute orb. There's so many trades, so it's that this blue line and this blue line, and there's so many trades wrapped around it. You know, like this was one today where we came back up at the bottom. You could have shorted off of it. All right, I'm taking my money off here, $232. The reason I'm taking my money off there is I know the pivot point is right here. We've rejected it twice. If we come back down, I'll try to play it again. But see, if you took the trade, awesome. Right? Freaking awesome trade. But we keep hitting our head on this pivot point, which is right here. So I sell into resistance. I'm not going to hold it into resistance in hopes that we surpass it. I just take my money off, take my chips off, you know? If I want to get back in, I can get back in. Look, we just dipped. I got in at 55. I can get back in at 40 if I wanted to, you know? But no need. You want to buy at support and sell at resistance. You don't want to be buying breakouts. Everybody is into buying breakouts. You lose more money buying breakouts than anything. You know what happens when you buy a breakout? It fakes, it breaks out for 3 seconds, and then it comes back in, and then you get shellacked. That's what happens when you buy breakouts. See how we got it? We got out at the top. It could obviously go more. I'm just saying, would you want to hold it from 55 all the way down to 22? No, I don't want to hold it for a 30-point drop. Yeah, Billy, it could definitely pop. 1,000%. Yo, smash it, baby. Smash it. It's one of those things though. Like, you play the percentages, guys. Like, the percentages that we're gonna reject up here are higher. You know, you're gonna want to see it. If anything, you're gonna want to see it break and maybe come back and retest. This could definitely be the bottom of the day, though. I'm not going to lie. This could easily be the bottom of the day. I'm in a third of a size that I normally get. This is literally a third of a size. Just be aware of that. That's the sizing I'm at right now, is a third. I'm only risking, I think, $60. I want to see the push right here. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. What up, Enchanted? Listen, if you're up right now, this is where you want to take it. Let's see if we break. But I might just take this. 50 bucks, $52. I'm cool with that. You don't need massive gain. You don't need these massive trades. Like, we just took small size. This is half size, and this was a third of a size, and we got almost $300 in profit. You could be done for the day after those two trades. You don't have to make a lot of trades. And you don't even need to hold for these massive gains either. You know? I need massive. I just take my chips off the table when I think we're at resistance. I do not like that we've touched the same point 4 times and can't get over it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to make it look visually, if you look at this chart and you see us touch 4 times, you know, it doesn't look great. You know, you've since worked off. You know, when you have like downside, like the MACD when we were going down was probably super low, right? Now you've bounced, you've worked off that MACD to the downside, but you haven't gotten over it. Here, I'll just show you on this. So here's the stochastics. The whole time we're dropping, you can see stochastics are low, right? Oversold, oversold, oversold. Well, now we've bounced. Stochastics have come up. We're getting overbought on the 1 minute chart, but we haven't fucking gone anywhere. So now when you've worked this off, now when this decides to roll, the market has juice to now go down further. If you following me. Dude, I need to scalp this one account. I'm annoyed that it's red by $1. It doesn't need to be up by a lot. I just don't want to see the red. There we are. How to get rid of the red. Just how to do it. How to do it for the stream. For the stream. So, you know, I'm just showing you how things get worked off. That was a great fucking scalp. Look at it. See how it's just coming down now? It's exactly what I was talking about just 2 seconds ago, right? As we were coming down, stochastics are oversold on the 1 minute, right? Oversold. We finally get some crap bounce. Not crap bounce. We get a bounce. You get overbought. We didn't really go higher than here. We've hit resistance 4 times. When this rolls over, it's going to send it freaking down. And that's what we're getting. somebody learned something. Yeah, kind of get why you could tell that this bounce was not going to be strong. I try to explain my trades here. If you guys ever have questions about them, just ask in the chat. I get back to everybody. If you have questions on indicators, why I'm taking the trades, just ask, and I definitely get back to everybody. So just know that. And for some reason, if I didn't see it, I'll scroll up and I'll answer you, or just put it in the chat again. You're fully allowed to ask the same question 5 times in the chat. What settings do you use for the stochastics? I've been using 533. It's been pretty good. I use the basic. So I use 1433. And that's what came with it. Man, I just had a hold. Fuck me, man. My problem is holding. My problem is holding. I mean, look at, I literally talked over this trade. I got in for $115 and could have easily smashed. I could have easily smashed that. I sometimes think, not only that, I mean, you can literally just see the trend break. When you pass the eval and pay $125 for lifetime PA account activation, there are no monthly fees. No, it's that. Nope, that's it. One time and that's it. What's gold doing? Damn, gold got smoked today too for a bit. $3 p.m. breakout. Previous month low is 700. I wouldn't be surprised if we close over 824. How's that sound? I know it sounds wild, but a close over 824 would be damn. We just swept the prior hour 795. Dude, previous swing low on the 4 hour 694. Dude, this thing's getting wild. things are getting crazy over here. I mean, it's just, this is all tariff talk. That's all this is tariff talk. What up, Racer? I mean, it's just tariffs and tariffs and tariffs. Come on. Previous month low is almost at 700. I wouldn't be surprised to see us come down and touch previous month low. Or would it be even better is you sweep the previous month low, hit 676, and then sweep back through? That would be a trade I would take. I would definitely take that trade. The sweep below here, touch the pivot point, and then come back through. PCE tomorrow. I'll tell you what, adding these previous day lows and stuff has been a game changer. You can just kind of see sometimes where, where we're going to head to. People call it the draw. Support, resistance, like previous day high. Yeah, stagflation has definitely been thrown out there a bunch. I don't think I could see the markets going nowhere for like 2 years. I know that sounds so freaking crazy, but I could see the markets in general just not going anywhere for like a year or two and just kind of just chopping around. Personally. Topstep looking for shorts. But I mean, this is the channel right now. I just think that, from the top, I mean, we're down. What are we down? 7% at this point? 7%, about 8%. I guess 20,000 would be 10%. Around 20,000 would be 10%. So, I mean, we got a little ways, but that would be 10%. I would love to see us come down to like 19,000. 19,000 would be juicy, man. Hey, if you're short 2 micros, it's better than not being short. You got to be up money. What's 18,000? On the Qs. Percentage wise, it's like 20% down. It's like a 20% pullback from the top. That's what I think. Dude, you passed 3 evals? Yo. Finally decided to go short. Yeah. I would say, 18,000, 18,500 on the NQ. We go under 20,000. I start really buying. I start really adding. If I could make back this freaking $400, that'd make my day. All my funded accounts would be up today. $601, you go balls long. Yo, this indicator literally fucking clipped the top today. The next time that happens on a daily, look, it happened up here. It called the top up there. It called it called the top 1, 2, 3, and then again 4 times. 4 for 4 called the top on the hourly right before the dump. That's on the hourly. Those are big fucking moves. I was waiting for the next question. After I always show that, it's always, what indicator is it? It's called 3-bar reversal by LuxAlgo. Oh, I can't watch. It just moves so quick. Yeah, LuxAlgo 3-candle reversal. I look at it on the 5, 15, and the hourly. But you got to play accordingly. You know, in the 5-minute is one size. Is this going to go for another leg down? You know, you got to leave room. So like on the 5-minute, it might be like a 30-point stop loss. You know, if you're playing the hourly, it could be like a 70-point stop loss. So you just got to know what you're playing. But, you know, your stop loss could be 70 points, but you could get 400 points. I'm literally got my finger on the sell button here. Fuck it. Right? Fucking $200, baby. Oh, shit. This is going to keep going. Oh. I'm at consistency on everything now. Yo, is that a bad problem? Yo, now you can just hang out for the day, Sean. How freaking awesome is that? Yo, fire up a $15 Bullnox account. Have some fun. Yo, you deserve the clap. Yeah. You can always get another eval, a cheapie. Congrats, man. Dude, that means you crushed it today. That's what it's about. What up, Brad? There are 1,000 contracts sitting at 680. I never got good at Bookmap, to be honest with you. But I believe you, 680. Over 4K profit on the day. That's awesome, man. Just keep it simple. We're literally just playing bear flag breaks. And that's all these are. Breaks. Yeah, they can spoof orders on there. Now, that's why I got rid of it, was the order spoofing. A couple of times I placed trades based on it, and then it wasn't as easy as I thought, and I was like, I'm out. Man, this account was down almost $1,400 today at one point, and I just slowly worked it back up.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Sean can't take it anymore. Yeah, PGI, they're looking into it. They're looking into it. I mean, today is an awesome day. He buys low, sells high. And when he shorts, he sells high and then rebuys low. I actually don't know, Sean. What do you do? Everybody trades differently. I don't think anybody trades exactly the same. I mean, I can't keep shorting this thing. I mean, at some point, I feel like I'm going to get my face ripped off. The fact that I made back and I'm only down 229 is a massive win. Yeah, I tell people that's the simplest thing to do to become profitable is the 15-minute orb, play flags, and start there and start just making money. And then you could implement some of this other stuff if you want to. You know, hourly sweeps and, you know, pivot points and all this other stuff. But like, those are pretty simple things. The 15-minute orb and flags, it's kind of, it's simple and it works. Nice. Another short. I mean, geez. This is one of those days that I wish I had, I went in with my Topstep account and just held. $15 to $30 micros now. If you used minis, it would be less commissions, just throwing it out there. Yo, what up, Horizon? I use the LuxAlgo price action concepts and a 3-bar reversal and a big pole oscillator. Oh, 2-pole oscillator. Yeah. You don't need a ton of stuff. I have multiple tabs that show me different things. Dude, here's the month low. Previous month low is right here. Holy shit. I turned that account fucking green. Holy My God. So this account, I need to get massive dollars in, by the way. The fuck? Yo, hold on one second. I think someone's beeping at my house. What's going on? No, Andrew.
Dad,
What?
Alpha and Penny might come over.
Okay. Okay, bud. Love you.
We are homework outside today. Dad, we are homework outside.
Maybe.
Dad, you know that?
You like that? 355 bucks. Boom. So what caused this, why I like this bounce really good? Well, first of all, you have a round number, but more than that, look, you're at the previous month low. You got to assume there's going to be some type of bounce there, right? Makes sense. Previous month low. Kind of getting a tweezer bottom here. Just took it for 355. Well, next account. Yo, free longs. You want to see it bounce like right here. I'm only scalping this, by the way. I'm just looking for a scalp off the 9. Okay. I wanted it to hold the 9 right here. It's not. It's not really an 8. Oh, here it is. There you go. So I lost 125 on the down, and I got 200. So net 75 bucks right there. My thesis played out. It just kind of my stop was too tight. What's up with poker night? I don't have a site that we could play on. If you know a site that we could play on that does cash games, I'm in. Otherwise, we got to do a buy-in tournament. I was going to do Poker Stars. I didn't know Poker Stars was illegal in the U.S. I think what I'm going to do is I got to find a site that will collect money for tournaments and stuff. Or if we're going to do a tournament on that site we did last time, I got to start collecting money like a week ahead or 3 days ahead, because No one's going to show up and give money. I just know how long it takes to collect money from people. We need a site that we can do cash games at. That's what we really need, Sean. I want to find a cash game site. Hold on. I thought poker was legal now. It's not legal? Dude, this might dump, by the way. What? Well, that's how it would go, Garen, is I would collect money. You can't gamble at all in Texas? Dude, look at how many times are they going to wick this up? 1, 2, 3 wicks. I'm going short if they sell it through. Well, there we go. I made $33 on that. I would have made $250 if I didn't play it to the upside. Got to go across. Use a VPN, baby. Need that weekend action, man. Yo, I think the pivot point is right under here, right? 672. Dude, that was a nasty dump. That was crazy. Uh, 672, I think it was. 660, 671, 670. Man, this is crazy. Well, I got one more account to go green. I need these for more money is what I need, but wow, they just ripped that. See, this is the problem. When you get this low, dude, that was a 50-point ripper in your face. Oh, yeah. Didn't somebody say 680? Oh, I just scalped 220. Dude, this thing's moving. Moving. I scalped this because we went over 700, just a quick scalp to the upside. Like, I know you can't follow that, but momentum over the 700, I just took it real quick. This thing's moving around crazily. This is crazy. So no poker tonight? No, Sean. I got to figure out how we can collect money. I didn't know you can't gamble in Texas. How's that sound? Until I didn't know you can't gamble in Texas till you just told me. I thought we could all go online and gamble with a cash game. So what I need to do is I need to collect money, and we're going to play on Wednesday night. And we're going to play on that same site. And I'm going to put the buy-in. What do you guys want to do the buy-in for? Like 20 bucks? 20 bucks is good for everybody? Right? I feel like 20 is a good number. I would do more. I mean, I would do whatever you guys wanted to do. But 20 bucks is like enough if we get 20 people that there's money to be made. There'll be no rebuys. Do you want to do rebuys or no rebuys? One rebuy or no rebuys? One rebuy. You're gonna have to Zelle me when you rebuy, though, just so we're all aware. You're gonna have to Zelle or Venmo. Just so everyone's aware, I'm not keeping any of the money. Like, I'm not keeping 10%. Everything goes into the pot, gets given out to everybody. This isn't, this isn't like Cove making money. This is all the money goes into the thing. Yeah, there's no house rake here. This is, this is for fun, and I definitely accept butthole coin. Definitely, all day. All right. So Wednesday is the day. I'm going to put my my Venmo, my Zelle. When you Venmo or Zelle me, you're going to have to message me because I don't know who the fuck, it's not going to come up Island Boy in my Zelle. I think you could do a note, though. Dude, we're going to go lower again? Yo, I'm just telling you, this is getting iffy here. I have these evals. I might just trade these evals instead of using funded money. Balloon knot? Let's see what happens. Come on, baby. If we can get over this 34, if we can get over this 34, I think it could rip. My target's 830. How's that sound? 830. That's 110 points up. If this gets moving, 830 is my line. What the fuck? Dude, I didn't even know my drawdown was that low. Ugh. I'm going to blow both these accounts. Yo, I need water real fast. I'll be right back. Back. Oh, geez. This thing's going further down. This is why I'm not playing any funded accounts here. Dude, I just can't believe that this just keeps dumping. You think they're going to pin it? 672. Full port short. $670 is the pivot point. Yo, what up? Got my drop? Yeah, there's not much selling pressure. You could see. Oh, hold on. I freaking made my water and I didn't bring it. I got bronchitis, so I'm like, my throat's killing me. Be right back. I made the water. I didn't get it. Oh, geez. Here we go. I'm in the wrong fucking account. Oh, I'm in the wrong account. I thought I was in an eval. Oh, why would I do that? Why would I do that? I thought I was in the eval. Fuck, man. I thought I was in fucking this account. Now I need to make this money back. So stupid. All right, I just got back the majority of that money. So stupid. I told myself I wasn't playing any more funded accounts. I wanted to play one of these evals I got. Jesus. Yo, what up, Corey? What up? What up? I'll be right back. I'm just going to get my freaking thing. This is right now. You better All right, I'm back. I got it. Here we go. Dude, making money, man. All by the way, I love these. Yo, Costco sparkling waters stops me from wanting a snack. Oh, this thing's going to drop further. There, I'm back fucking green now. How do you enter the ducks? You do Cove Trader, but if you're brand new in the chat, you got to hang out for a little bit. And that stops people from coming in with 5 or 10 different accounts and just entering. So it's for people who hang out. I think you only have to be on the stream for like 20 minutes. It's Streamlabs that does it. It's not on me. They just make sure that you're not it's not somebody just coming in with new accounts just to enter the duck race and then, head out. So Streamlabs does it. Coach Fred in the house. Yo, today's been a really good day. Say the word data. Data? Or do you say data? Data? What's up, Alicia Acosta Jones? Liquid Death is great. I have a reverse osmosis water filter that also gives it a higher pH. My fucking water at home is awesome. New Aqua system is what I use. It's a countertop system. You know, it's not even a under the water thing. Please keep dumping. Dude, I mean, who the fuck still has anything to sell? Dater? Yeah, Sean. The reverse osmosis systems are where it's at if you want like the cleanest water that you can get. Yeah, LaCroix are nice. I had them in the house for a little bit. Yo, watch them just rip this here end of day.
Daddy,
Yep. All my funded accounts are up. That's all I really care about. I go after, as long as my funded are up. Just pass the take profit trader. That's all that matters. Is this thing just gonna rip? 30 seconds till oh, where'd I go? Yo, there I am. I don't know what happened on the stream. I need some Topstep account for. I'm going on Topstep TV in like 10 days. So I need a Topstep. I'd like to have a couple Topstep funded accounts.
Order filled. Order filled.
Holy shit. I didn't realize I bought in with 3.
Order filled.
Dude. Freaking risky. I kind of like this to the upside. Sweep back over the monthly low. This is the 15-minute chart. 5, we're holding the pivot point. Pivot point is at what? 670, call it. Nailed the top. I'm going to sell my Mickey Mantle baseball card to pay my girlfriend's credit cards off if I... Oh, geez. Is this thing going for it? Oh, no. Oh, no. We're going to drop. I would not trade a funded account here, but just throwing it out there to anybody.
Order filled. Order filled.
If you got a funded account,
Order filled.
I would oh, nice. I'm up 826 already. Dude, super nasty. Yo, Tilt, you wild, son. Yo, I was thinking that, Sean. I was like, what the fuck? Tilt going crazy over there. Dude, I just snagged that. Dude, I just snagged $305 in a Bull Knox funded account on that drop right there. Yo, by the way, Bull Knox, this is how Bull Knox works. You have to submit your payout by Friday, and then it's paid out on Wednesday. So I submitted my payout on Tuesday. I'm not getting paid out until next Wednesday coming up. This shit's wild. Well, I hope you guys made money today, and I hope maybe somebody learned something today. I feel like, you know, I try to teach just basics, I guess, when I trade, so people learn something. What is the green line on the chart? That's the 34 EMA. No profit trader. Welcome to the stream, brother. Oh, dude, I'm back. Somebody's losing their shit. Dude, my kids are losing their shit. That's what's going on. I'm trying to make money here at the end of the day, and my kids are losing their shit. Dude, this thing's pushing here. Should I try sniping this with an eval? A little snipe. Just an eval. Do not trade a funded account with 2 minutes left in the market, people. Any earnings today? There's got to be earnings today. Let's see. Dell is after hours. Dell and Autodesk. Oh, dude, this thing's getting crazy. What? Take profit trader is till 4:59. Do not leave an order in. Otherwise, you will lose your whole account. I'm telling you right now, it's not even worth it. Don't even trade it after hours. If you accidentally leave an order in, I might play a trade right here, but if you leave a position in, you can lose your account. I don't want to see you lose your account over something stupid. Look at this thing. Dude, I can't believe how low we are. Look at this thing. It just keeps going. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. What up? What up? Jeez. Dude, we smashed today, by the way. Absolutely smashed. Dude, are they going to cover this after hours? Just an eval. I would not trade this. Let's see if it holds over 600. I'm wondering if they fire this thing up. Is there any buyers left? Any bulls alive? Yeah, tariff talk. This whole thing is tariffs. That's all this is all tariffs. There's just no buyers. Like, at what point are the buyers going to step in and make some type of stand here? I want to see this get over the 9. We get over the 9. I wouldn't mind seeing them bring it up to like the 34. What up, Mad Moxie? No, oh, jeez. Yo, you bought with your personal account? There's a lot of stuff going on, you guys. I mean, this could still go lower. I mean, we can't get over the 9. There is a yeah, I agree. I agree. There's a lot of uncertainty. Just pump it like 40 fucking points here. Oh, geez. Push it. Can they push it? What? I mean, there's been no significant bounce. Not even after hours. Look at this. This is looking like dog shit. Get over the 9, man. I thought full port and quit trading. Nah, he's hanging. He's hanging strong. Jesus, this thing is just brutal. If they can bring this back up and the next candle goes above it, we'll have a nice. The only reason they're talking about it is because Trump keeps talking about it. That's it. This thing's roasted. There's no coming back. This thing is just time to see new lows. There's no buyers. There's no buyers. The whole thing's getting rug pulled. I wouldn't trade any funded accounts right now. margin calls. I mean, we weren't down that much. What was it, 3%? Yeah, previous month low was 692. Yo, 150s are hard to pass, man. Look at this monthly candle. This is the monthly candle right here. Fully engulfed this candle. If you look at this, you got to assume like we're going to at least 20,000. Either 20,000 or probably like 18.5. I mean, this doesn't look good at all. I think we're going to get like this, 16. That was like a 30% pullback over the course of like a year. I could see us getting like that, where we come all the way down to like 16,000. This should probably be the bottom, somewhere around 17,000. I mean, this weekly looks awful. Honestly, if you didn't look at the numbers and you saw this, you'd probably say we're going to go down to like these lows. That's 18.3. It looks like we're going to be into the 18,000s.
The markets are closed. Crazy. Dude, this is just a wild. The problem is you're getting stocks like Tesla that are just getting beat up. Tesla's down to 281. Wow. Tesla's down to 281. Absolutely getting destroyed. All right, 9 minutes and we're going to run the ducks. Oh, it just stopped at the top. The bubbles. This shit's going to drop. This shit just looks so bad. It looks like another bear flag. Looks like it's just going to go down. We're going to go down to like, boom, baby. So I think it was 24 or 27% of Tesla's money doesn't come from auto at all. A lot of people don't even realize that. It's like 24 or 27% does not come from auto. Circuit breakers, we're far from circuit breakers. We were circuit breakers, you'd have to be more than double down than we were today. This? I didn't lose anything. These are eval. In evals are nothing. Look at all my funded accounts. All I care about is funded accounts. Evals, there's only two types of evals. Ones you passed and ones you didn't pass. There's nothing else. I don't care if, yeah. I was trading evals at the end because I didn't want to trade funded accounts anymore. I wish I bought Tesla end of day. I'm going to be writing puts on Tesla starting tomorrow. Did that just fucking happen? Bro, that was a 10-point just gap down. What the fuck was that? Five minutes to the ducks, baby. This isn't like some trade setup, just so whoever's watching. What's the longest what's the longest it's taken me to get a funded account, or how long have I held a funded account for? I think you're asking how long I've held a funded account for. I'll look right now. So the one account I have says 26 trading days, but I don't trade them every single day because I have so many accounts, and that's trading days. So I would assume it's like a month and a half to 2 months. I had one recently that was like 45 trading days, and I finally blew it. There we go. I don't trust after hours. After hours, what, 45 trading days? Yeah, I mean, I pride myself on not blowing. I try not to blow accounts, obviously, especially funded accounts. But like evals, I don't really care that much about. But the funded accounts, you know, I'm trying to get anywhere between $100 to $300 a day, I guess, in them, and just keep growing them. You know, obviously this account I got more than 300. This account I got more than, I did 1,000 in that today. Did you just hold a trade? Yeah. Tech play. That's 45 trading days. That's not even days. That's 45. And I don't even trade it every day. That account was probably like over 2 months old. Oh, man. Today was good, guys. Yo, yesterday was good, too. We've had dude, we've been kind of on a streak. I mean, I don't want to say a streak, but things have been pretty good. Requested 2 payouts this week. Built a bunch of accounts up. I got another funded account in my funded futures today. I passed, so that's another one. Things are going pretty well. One more minute. Anyone that wants to join the old Ducks. By the way, I appreciate you guys. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the chat. I mean, I'm here to help. If you got questions on indicators, I did day 1 of Topstep funded account also. I did my $200. But yeah, if you have any questions about indicators or anything, now's the time you can ask. This is just for me to see all the different time frames. Things are pretty good. All right, let's run this Ducks for everybody. If you're new here, subscribe. We stream every day, 10:30 to noon, and again 2 p.m. to 4:30. We do account giveaways through the week. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. It will automatically give you the biggest discounts. That's what keeps the stream going. And that's pretty much it. If you want to go in the Discord is free. Everything is in the description of the video. I'm just trying to set this up. Also, if you had questions about prop firm accounts, people always ask. Here's here's a link to a Google Sheets that has the withdrawal information, pros, cons, how much 50Ks are. Yo, that's awesome, CT. Yo, they're good at Bull Knox. Oh, let me shut my Ninja Trader off. All right, I shut my Ninja Trader off. That should free up some space. Let's keep getting freaking payouts this week, boys. Let's go. Full port, trying to get paid on day one. Oh, geez. Let's go. Smashing them ones. Come on, where am I? I don't even see my duck. Dude, where am I? I swear my duck never gets in there. Jay Fiskett hanging out in the middle. Yan, Gene's in there. Brian 0. You want to be in the middle at like 30 seconds left. How do you enter the duck race? You got to put the code in !Cove Trader. And then it automatically adds you. I'm not adding you. It's all automated. Dude, I don't see my own duck. There's PG right there. I see PG. It's right wearing this little UK police hat. You got to remember there's like 90 ducks, 70 ducks, 80 ducks. Some are covered by everybody's name. Oh, there's PG. Yo, you're going to win. PG, you're going to win. Oh, that's the ultimate fast track rug pull right there. You got two. You got to 426. You got to 426. Dude. Oh, he's in here. Yo, fast track refunds are on the way. Go long GME. Damn, we bounced right off. Look at that. Still going. Sort of rigged duck. My duck's third leg was just freaking holding it down. I didn't even see it. Yo, put it on Scott's tab. Dude, I watched that bankruptcy video. Dude, it's freaking crazy. Super crazy. Guy's wild, just spending. He was just spending freaking company money. Yo, what up, Jerry? They call that a rudder. I got silver, getting better. Getting close. I just saw it online somewhere. It was long. It was like over an hour. He looked awful. I don't think you're going to get any money. But he was buying cars and then reselling them on Carvana for big losses. Yeah, shoot me an email, 00. It's got to be on YouTube. Someone's got it up. But there's going to be another hearing, I think. So I'll stream the other hearing. I wasn't around, but I'll stream the next hearing. How did he blow millions of dollars? Dude, he was just buying cars for his other business, and the other business never did anything. And then payouts were getting him, people were making money because his rules were so easy, and he wasn't charging like monthly for anything. So like once somebody bought, that was it. I appreciate you, CT. So he was taking, also he allowed people up to 40 accounts. So people were like, I want to call it sharks, or people who were good at trading were taking advantage and made a lot of money quick on him. And then he wasn't paying people out, and he was using the money. He was buying like McLarens and Bentleys, not brand new, but like he probably spent $800 or $1 million on cars. And I'm sure he was living his life like he was making a lot of money. Yeah, he was forced to pay the affiliates. So he was paying Patrick and a bunch of other affiliates massive money. I only had 7 accounts. I got in real late and I didn't make any money. I didn't get any payouts or anything like that, but I had 7 accounts when it went under. Was a shill? Yeah. There was a couple people that went really hard at it. Kellyanne made $30-something thousand from it 1 month. She did a video. It was like $31,000. Kyle made a ton of money. Patrick made a ton of money. Yeah. No, she did a video. She made $31,000 from Fast Track. It's out. It might be on her channel. So I don't know, but it's out there. It's definitely out there. I remember watching it. Now, listen, I'm not saying that anybody knew what was going on behind the scenes, but after they rug pulled everybody, if you still promoted them after that, it's kind of bad. It's kind of bad because once they rug pulled everybody's money, and you still pushing people there, I mean, it's pretty bad. I don't think I ever traded them on the stream. I always traded it off the stream. I had 7 accounts. I don't know. It seemed like they had a lot of problems early on. What up, Tree? I was looking where to buy his cars at a discount. I was looking where I could lowball it. Dude, that firm, I don't know what's going on with that. The whole funded family shit. I wouldn't get an account there. You got to be crazy. Too much stuff going on. Way too much stuff going on. Dude, he's got a Bentley that's at the shop and he can't pay the $8,000 fee to get the car back. I almost repeated yesterday. Yeah, Walter. Dude, things are good on the stream. Dude, we're making a lot of money. Have you heard about Futures Elite prop firm? Yeah, I'm not interested, to be honest with you. I've heard a lot of negatives about it. And also, listen, I don't need another prop firm. Like I use Apex, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader. I have a couple Tradeify accounts. I have Bullnox accounts. Like I don't need another one. I'm already using enough prop firms that I don't need. Fuck yeah. That was a quick 65 bucks. Yeah. I just think that, you know, when it comes to, I would stick to the majors. I would stick to the major prop firms because you know you're going to get paid, and that's what this is about. Like, I requested money with Bullnox. I know I'm going to get paid by them. I'm not sitting here being like, oh, I wonder what's going on behind the scenes. You know, I'm going to get paid. So I would just say stick with people that you know you're going to get paid with. You know, just because somebody's offering you a good deal, I wouldn't use them. A good deal doesn't do much for me unless it's a major company. You know? Lots of green, Walter. We're getting close to a bunch of payouts, to be honest with you. This account keeps growing. I'll request a payout for this again soon. This account is 550 away. This one's even closer now. There's a lot. I mean, I just keep growing them. These are all like 50, you know, 51,500-ish. Just keep growing. Every day I just keep growing them. Yeah, I mean, listen, I probably wouldn't try. What do you guys think about elite funding? Anybody in here try them? What do they think about them? Elite trader funding. I've never used them. I've only heard negatives, but did you guys know if you make $30 a day on 20 accounts, that's $140K a year? That's what I'm talking about, PGI. Like people down that I only do 160 bucks in an account in a day, but if you really add this up, it's 3, 4, 5, you know, 6, 1,600, 17, 18, 19. I don't know. It's about $3,000 or $4,000 worth in a day. There's a crypto scammer in Discord. I got him. These guys don't stop. If anybody wants to join the Discord, it's free. This is where you can find me when I'm not online. Ask questions, post stuff. Oh, man. Elite trader funding. Yeah, I'd probably just stick to one of the majors. Start collecting poker money. I'm gonna. All right, let me. Oh. You heard some weird stuff about them, like Diddy stuff, like some baby oil stuff. What are we talking about? Weird. How weird are we talking here? Oh, geez, Ray. I heard you watch the videos with the sound off. When am I going to start trading with Tradeify? I traded with Tradeify yesterday and blew my no, 2 days ago. Right? 2 days ago? I have an account that I paid $15 for that I have like 3 accounts I paid like $15 for, and I let them rebill on Tradeify. The reason I don't buy more Tradeify accounts is I have, how many more accounts can I handle? I like Tradeify. I think everybody that gets paid by Tradeify, the money doesn't always make sense for me personally. Like, I'm not buying a straight to funded account I'm not buying a funded account for $350 when I can get a funded account for $200 through Apex. Or argument's sake, I got 2 evals today. These are evals. See, it says V. This one is almost blown today. And this one I passed. So I passed 1 for 2. And this account cost $100. And it's funded. So say I spent $100 on each account. I spent $200. I'm funded with $200 and whatever. And I still have this account left. So the cost per funded account for me is better if I buy evals. I failed twice, and yesterday was the only account that passed with my bracket orders. Still confused at what happened. I don't use brackets with Ninja because it's like a relay. I copy traded 3 accounts today. 79, this account, and 2 others I copy traded today. I definitely copy traded 3 accounts at a time today. All right, guys. I am going to call it here. I got to get dinner. I'm also, my bronchitis is freaking I got bronchitis still. So if you want to support the channel, use coupon code CoveTrader. We'll be streaming tomorrow, 10:30 in the morning. If you're not around for the morning, we'll stream again at 2 p.m. to 4:30. Got to be on the right side of the trades, Kevin. We've been crushing it on the stream. Been crushing it here. Sean crushed it today. Sean couldn't even trade anymore. He hit consistency on all his accounts. But yeah, we made money, and I'll see all you guys tomorrow. If you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.